Hare Krishna. Many people have this particular desire that we want to love all living entities. We want to be loving towards everybody. And it is not possible for all of us to do that by individually catering to everybody's various types of needs, the physical needs, intellectual needs, emotional needs, the spiritual needs. But there is one principle which when we follow, we will be able to extend our love to every single living entity, include not only just humans, but even plants and animals, etc. How do we do this? We need to understand. The Shastras teach us a very great principle. Yatha taror moola nishechanena tripyanti tatskanda bhujopashaka pranopahara chayetendriyanam tateva sarva anamachyutejya. Just like you water the root of the tree and the entire tree is nourished. You don't just go about watering every single leaf or a branch, etc., right? And just as you just directly feed the stomach, and when the stomach gets the food, the entire body is nourished. Similarly, when we render service to God, when we exhibit love for God, that is when our heart completely gets saturated with love, and then this love can be distributed to all the living entities. Hare Krishna.